back to my channel. This is Anjani and today's video is going to be an unboxing video of a purse which I brought, and I ordered it online and I just received this parcel today morning, and I have just removed the outer packaging of this box and I'm gonna unbox the rest of it with you guys. So this is going to be a Fossil handbag, and it's written Fossil calling all curious. It's written like this on the box and it's in orange box. Now I'm gonna quickly open this box and I'm gonna show you which purse I got, and please pause the video and guess which purse I must have got, and yeah, let's see who guesses this right. So now I'm gonna open the box. I've already cut the tapes and it opens like this, and here is the purse, and I've got the receipt and the bill in here, and this is it. There is nothing else in the box. So this is the bag, guys. You already can see the color of it. Now I'm gonna quickly remove it from the polythene, and this is the bag. Oh my god, it's really pretty, guys. It's really pretty. Like, the quality is very nice. It's this dark purple shade purse, and let's remove the paper first. Guys, so I unboxed this bag and this is how the bag looks like. It's with this old 90s golden hardware, and I'm gonna show you quickly how the purse has, how many compartments does it have. So first of all, you're gonna open this and you're gonna see one compartment over here. I'm gonna remove this paper and you can see one compartment over here. It's quite spacious, guys, as you guys can see. So this is going to be the first compartment and you can secure it like this. After that, it's the main compartment, and in the main compartment you can see the space. The space in it is humongous, and it is slip pocket here, and also there is a zipper pocket. Yeah, there is a zipper pocket over here. This is the zipper pocket, and there is something inside. Is this Fossil booklet, and also here it's written Fossil, and at the back side there is a clasp over here, and you're gonna open it like this, and there is a back compartment as well. So there are 3 compartments here in this bag, and so this is the perfect size of purse which I would like to carry usually, because I don't like to carry humongous purses for the for shopping or for outing. So this is perfect, and this would also look great like a sling, and also it would look good like this. So yeah, this is also very spacious, so all my essential things I would like to carry with me are gonna fit in this, because there is a huge space in this. It's a compact purse, but there is a huge space in this. So all the things which I would like to carry on my day-to-day basis or for my usual outings are gonna fit in this. And also this key detailing over here is very nice. It looks very nice, and this is the classic statement key for Fossil, and then most of the purses have this key, and this is the yellow gold. The quality of the key is also very nice. Yeah, so I really like this purse, guys. So I'm gonna recommend this to you if you're looking such kind of a purse. This is the perfect size of purse, guys. It's gonna look great in your hands as well as it's gonna look great as a sling. So yeah, this is, the color is also very wearable and durable, and this is also gonna last me a long time because it's a leather material and it's very nice material. So yeah, also the color is very amazing, also the color is very attractive and very versatile, so this can go with most of your outfits and you don't need to worry about styling this. So yeah, this is a perfect bag I would like to get. And yeah, I was eyeing this purse since a very long time, but I was not sure whether I wanted to purchase this or not, but finally I got it and I am proud to purchase this purse. And yeah, I love this purse, guys. I'm simply in love with the look. This is so simple yet classy. So yeah, I like to carry this kinds of purse which are minimal and it does not have much of the things going on the purse. I like to carry my purses to be very minimal. So yeah, my footwears and my purses, also my clothing, you will be able to see that my clothing is very minimal. So yeah, that is my style and my choice. So yeah, this is the purse which I got, and this is the color. The name of the bag is Rider Mini Satchel Bag, and yeah, I really like this. And yeah, there is a humongous discounts going on right now, so if you're looking for such kind of bags, then go ahead and check out the website. There are many colors in this as well, and this is the mini version. There is a bigger version for the same pattern as well, and there are also many shades in the same bag. So yeah, you can go ahead and check out for yourself. So I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care and please subscribe if you haven't, and join the family. And yeah, take care, bye.